Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room show down in my workshop, radio room, ex-garage. It was actually never a garage because it's too small, even for a foreign car. Anyway, I can't believe the heat we're having here in Florida. It's 82 degrees at 6:20 in the morning here in Clearwater, Florida. So I've got the wall shaker on. You may be hearing that in background. I apologize. I've got my brand new XHDATA D-109 radio hooked to my Megaloop antenna. So it's using an external antenna. And I'm on shortwave. Right now I'm on frequency 9.330, which is WBCQ in northeast part of the United States. And as I mentioned in my previous video, Bert did an excellent review, told you about all the many features this thing has. So I'm going to kind of skip that part. I'll briefly tell you in general the features. It's AM, FM, shortwave and longwave, and here's the specs right here. So we've got 4 FM bands you can choose depending on where country you're in. We got longwave, 153 to 513 kilohertz. Medium wave, we have 2 bands, one for 9K increments for outside the United States, and the other one for 10K increments if you're in the United States. And then we have short wave from 1.711 to 2.99999. That's all we need to look at. So it has all those bands, plus it's a Bluetooth speaker, plus it's an MP3 player. And I did a band scan about a half hour ago. It only picked up 3 stations on shortwave using that external antenna. It only picked up 1 using its built antenna, which is very short. It's only like 24 inches. The audio is excellent. I can go to Bluetooth briefly and show you that. This is music from the YouTube free library. Turn the volume back up. I apologize for the audio with all the background noise. Oop, wrong way. Okay, there we go. It hadn't started yet. Go to another track. Apparently, I recorded these quite low. Find another track. There we go. There's a good one. Card goes here in the bottom. These are the controls. Very good sound. I can't believe the sound for the tiny speaker. Okay, let's turn this down. Hopefully my lapel microphone is picking that up. I have another excuse in that I broke my good one, so I'm using a backup, which is not that great. Lots of things on the display. You probably won't be able to see it very well, but here are all the things that are on the display, such as a battery indicator up here. And since I'm still playing music, it shows what track I'm on. Let's go to shortwave. Go to shortwave. Shortwave, it shows power. signal strength and noise right here. Shows you the band down there. It's in shortwave. And I lost that station at 9.33. I don't know what's going on. Let me turn this down. Hope you can hear me. We've been having, for this past week, I won't say abnormal, but very high temperatures. Been in the low 90s, high humidity, and now it's totally overcast. Uh-oh, there goes my alarm. Time to go do something. Okay, we'll shut that off. I'm not doing too good. Oh, also, this only comes with the radio and the charging cable. There's no earbuds, which typically the earbuds that come with these radios are pretty much junk, so I don't miss that. I did wish it have a cloth cover, so when it's not in use, you can cover the screen so it doesn't get scratched and stuff like that. Didn't come with a cloth cover. Has 2 alarms versus the normal 1. You can also, let me find the button here. You could turn the beep off, which is this ST/B, and I can see my camera is not really in focus that well. No, this is pretty much a disaster. That there is, and I can't find it, there is a function where you can have the backlight stay on all the time, which is, I like my backlight on all the time when I'm tuning. I don't like to tune, stop and listen to a station and then the backlight go off on me. There's a button here for that someplace. Oh, I don't see it. Looking very quickly here. I saw it before. I don't see it. But there is a button for that. We can do I can't say quick scan because it takes a long time to do a scan. Oh, bandwidth. I think this is it right here. Where is, looking for it in the manual. I think this is it. See, there's a little light bulb here. Yeah, that's it. So now the backlight is going to stay on permanently. I think it will turn back off when you cycle power back to being off or automatically shutting off. Okay, now what was I going to do? I was going to do a band scan. It takes a while. Now let's try it. Here we go. Push and hold the shortwave minus to go up, and it scans through all the international broadcast bands, not the entire shortwave band. And it takes a while. I'll try to jabber while it's going through that. Let me get a drink here. But overall, I really like this radio, especially since right now, as of this recording, it's on sale $10 off. So instead of $46, it's $36. I haven't checked the performance against, let me get it over here and put the antenna down so I don't break it off. I have not checked the performance against this new, well, my camera really doesn't like to focus, PL320. PL320 right now is $48, where this one is normally $46. It's on sale on Amazon. I put it in my Amazon store for $36. There's a $10 off coupon. And looking to see if there's anything else I could talk about while we're waiting for that to scan. I don't think so. I'm really struggling. I haven't been down in my workshop or my radio room for quite a while, and trying to get things going again. Now, I did, and I can actually turn it on right now. I don't know if you can hear it, but I do have my SDR, this is the DX, RSP DX on, and I don't want to switch the antennas because this is doing scans, so I guess I can't do anything with that. But with that radio, which is, I think that's, I haven't priced it lately, but it was a little over $200. It's a SDR, and it's my best radio right now. Believe it or not, it's my best radio. And it is an SDR, so you have to have a computer. Now we're almost done here. It says we're working on memory location 5, which means we've received 4. It's found 4 signals. There's the first one. I'll turn it up. Lots of noise, 5.025. Go to the next one. Hold on 1 second. I think that's out of Cuba, maybe. Yeah, that's always strong. Ahí en Cienfuegos. Nos vamos ya a pasajero. Ha estado se fue al contacto con Alberto de la Desarrollo. 9805. Another Spanish station. See if I can look that up. Juan Alberto, cortaron la comunicación obviamente. Vamos a ver si la logramos restablecer. Hay problemas con los vientos de 9805. Movimiento Ciudadano, reflexiones de consideración que le han detenido a una activista europea y lo tienen en el centro de la seguridad del Estado. Aparentemente, ya no podríamos conocer. Oh, Radio Martini. Again, it's up in Greensville, northeast section of the United States. Coming in pretty strong, but yeah, it's Spanish right now. Now, I'm not going to do a band scan of AM or medium wave or FM. I'll just tell you it does an excellent job on those 2 bands. Let's see how much noise we're getting on medium wave on this radio. So we'll go to medium wave, and we will tune up, turn the volume back up. Oh, I'm in the wrong mode. You see that? It went from 575 to 576. I don't want that. So we need to push and hold this button, I think. Maybe we have to do it when it's off. Yeah, there we go. Turn it back on. I didn't get it on. Oh, we're on FM. I didn't want to go there. 520. Now it's at 1 kilohertz increments, which makes it pretty slow tuning. Let's see if I can do a band scan by pushing and hold. Yep, there we go. So now it's using the internal medium wave antenna, which I'm probably not oriented correctly for that. It's already got 16 stations, almost done. 23 stations. You turn the volume up.
By providing a free ultrasound.
Loud and clear.
When you introduce a girl
No
to her
hum.
baby by providing an ultrasound. Home run.
That one's a little weak. That's got interference.
Those of us who are pro-life
Plus 300,000.
called it unconscious eating. You just got bass over there all.
See,
Air Force.
like I said, it's got plenty of stations that it picks up both on AM and FM. Go to FM. Well, scan. Should be using that external antenna right now. Goes through this pretty quickly. 45. Oop, that's noise. More noise. A lot of noise down at the bottom end there. Yeah, pick it up. That could be, let me turn it down. That could be a lot of things that are in my workshop. It could even be my Echo Show device, which is about 6 inches from this radio. Or it could be my router, not my router, my Wi-Fi. My lights, could be the lights. Let me pull this out. And of course the signal is going to go down. Still there. So I'm getting some kind of interference. Strong interference. From somewhere. Yeah. Real strong signals override it. So that's about it. Again, I like this radio. It's right now it's a bargain for $36 with all those functions. I'm going to have to do some more testing. This is kind of only the second or third time that I've used it. And you can see that I'm not quite set up to do it properly. I got to track down what that interference is on FM. I'm sure if I go outside, that'll go away. Anyway, if you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.